I want to talk to you real quick about, let me turn this phone a little bit more, right, about why you need to get out of your comfort zone and you need to go out and you need to meet people. I went to a meetup today, of which I've been to many, and I've conducted many meetups, and they're in just about every city in the United States now. And I tell people they need to go to these things and meet people, and it could be in your niche, it could be about something you're interested in, it could be, you know, whatever, you know, it could be something you're not even interested in. How about that? Try something that's crazy, right? And why do you want to go to these things? Well, the reason you want to go is to meet people. You see, your life is only going to change based on three things. It's going to change based on the books you read, the places that you go to, and the people you meet. So essentially, if you sat in your house all day, and I know I talk to a lot of entrepreneurs or people who are digital marketers and they're behind that computer screen all day, their view of the world doesn't change because they're in front of that computer. I hear a lot of excuses why people don't do this. The biggest excuse is it's probably going to be a waste of time. Probably going to be a waste of time. And I got to tell you, I've met some really cool people at meetups. One of my best friends, Donnie, hey Donnie Gamble out there, we went to a meetup, gosh, probably 4 years ago. Neither one of us liked the meetup, but we met each other, we've done some business together, and we became good friends, okay? So there's one example. Another example is I used to do meetups, and a couple of my biggest clients came from me doing meetups where I didn't even charge anybody. I just trained them on how to do things. And on down the road, one of those turned into a 5-figure contract. That's pretty good, right? But those are not the reasons I want you to go to a meetup. Because you may say to yourself, well, I may not meet anybody that's worthwhile, or it could be boring, or there may not be anybody cool there, or there may not be anybody that knows more than me, or I may not be able to get any business out of it. I've got a flip way for you to think about it, okay? I want to flip this all the way around. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to go to a meetup, and I want you to be the cool person. Yeah, I want you to be the cool person who goes there, who's interesting, who helps people out, and they come back and go, wow, I met JR. I met JR, he's a really cool guy, and he decided that he would help me out, and he gave me some good advice, and I'm glad I went to that meetup. So here's your assignment, if you want to take it. Go to some of these meetups and be the person that makes everybody else's meetup good. Don't go in there with what you can take out of it. Go in there with what you can give into it, because that's what's going to get your business moving. That's what's going to get you ahead, is when you go out there and you actually try to help people. And some of you may be saying, well, I can't do that. If I help people, I don't make any money. It's not worthwhile. It is worthwhile. And if you don't try it, you won't quite understand that. But if you go out there and you help people, honestly help people, and give them good advice and good information, and you just do that out of the goodness of your heart, and you're genuinely a nice person, and keep in mind, you're never too famous, you're never too cool, you're never too rich to be nice to people. You just aren't. So my advice today is go to a meetup group and do it on a regular basis. Meet some new people. You'll be surprised what will happen if you go in there and you're the cool person. You're the one that's helping people out. So check it out. Go to a meetup group. Give me your comments. Let me know what you think. Talk to you later.